12 fun facts about exercising. 1. Music improves workout performance. Listening to music while exercising can improve workout performance by 15%. 2. Exercising improves brain performance. Cardiovascular exercise helps create new brain cells. This enhances brain power and brain activity. 3. Working out sharpens your memory. Exercising increases the production of cells that are responsible for learning and memory. 4. Running burns calories. If you run at a 10-minute per mile pace, you can burn 104.3 calories per mile. 5. More muscle mass equals burning more fat while resting. The more muscle mass you have, the more fat your body burns while resting. 6. Exercise prevents signs of aging. If you exercise 3 times a week for 45 minutes, you can help prevent signs of aging. 7. A pound of muscle burns 3 times more calories than a pound of fat. Having more muscle than fat means you can consume more calories. 8. You get sick less often. Exercising regularly helps boost your immune system. This means you'll get sick less often than people who don't exercise. 9. Increases productivity. Exercising increases the number of endorphins that are released into your body and increases productivity. 10. Workouts can improve the look of your skin. Sweat releases dirt through your pores, which reduces acne and breakouts. Workouts improve the overall look of your skin. 11. Exercising boosts self-confidence. Exercising can help ease your mind and rejuvenate your body. Working out will make you feel great and boost your confidence. 12. Working out enables you to sleep better. If you are someone who has trouble sleeping or staying asleep, then working out is your answer. Exercise helps to clear your head and helps you feel relaxed.